My brothers and sisters, today I will share three life changing lessons from the line of Allah, Ali ibn Abi Talib, Karramallahu Wajhul Kareem, the cousin and son in law of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He was known as the line of Allah, a man of courage, wisdom, and piety. Ali radiallahu anhu was not only a brave warrior, but also a deeply spiritual and wise leader. His life is full of lessons for us in today's world, for leadership, patience, and faith. Lesson 1. Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu faced many battles, including Badr, Uhud, and Khandaq. Yet, his bravery was always balanced with taqwa. So he said, لا يهيب الموت من عرف الحق. The one who knows the truth does not fear death. Face life's challenges with faith in Allah. First lesson is face life challenges with faith in Allah. Courage without taqwa is pride, but courage with taqwa is true strength. Lesson number 2 is Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, Al-ilmu khayrun min al-mali. Al-ilmu yahrusuka wa anta tahrusul mal. Knowledge is better than wealth. Knowledge protects you, but you protect the wealth. So, what should be the practical tip for us? It says, spend time learning Quran, Hadith, and useful knowledge. True success is when knowledge guides your actions. Lesson 3. Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu lost his parents, companions, and even faced betrayal, but he remained patient. He said, As-sabru miftahul farji. Patience is the key to relief. So, the tip is when you face hardships, remember Allah's plan is perfect. Patience is not just waiting, but trusting Allah while waiting. The life of Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu teaches us be courageous with taqwa, lesson 1. Seek knowledge, lesson 2. And stay patient in trials. So if you apply three lessons, your life will change, inshallah aziz. Share this video so others can benefit from the wisdom of Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.